I'm Lisa McCrossan with Ivester Jackson, Christie's International Real Estate. Welcome to my newest listing in Skyecroft, a gated community in the beautiful town of Waxhaw. Let's take a look. This great room is a great place to hang out in this custom luxury home. It's open to the dining room, the kitchen, and you've got a great view of the outdoor pool. I think this fireplace behind me is pretty nice, and you've got a great accent in the ceiling with cedar beams. This spacious master bedroom is a great place to unwind after a long day at work, and these cathedral ceilings really bring the wow factor. Who needs to go to the movie theater anymore? You've got your very own in this beautiful home. It even has a microwave so you can pop up your own popcorn, and it's got a great surround sound system. This home has a lot to offer, including this backyard oasis. There's a covered porch, you've got the pool and spa, and there's plenty of lawn space for people to gather or dogs to run around. If you would like to see more of this home, I would love to show you. Please contact me for more information.